All right, we are at this condo building, and we've got some serious ones. What for?
Fourth, please.
You got it.
Thank you.
No problem. Take care. These were originally Series 1. These were originally MRS, but then they got a slap-on mod with newer Otis fixtures for some reason. I don't know, maybe the fixtures went to shit, but everything else is still original. You can tell these are still on their original logic. Not sure if they redid the cabs.
It's either 6 or 9.
It's 516.
They only have 2 here, which is kind of a low amount.
Oh, thank you,
No problem. Anyway, you can see the panel. Anyway, that will be it. Yeah, they replaced the panel too. Strange.